Alright, continuing on with our antics. I was just looking through a few of the achievements. So, needless to say, to point something out here, all the bosses are based off of... Damn it! Are based off a, genre of music. This guy is based off metal. Get the fuck off of me! Well, check this guy's nuts off. No, I don't even think you need to kill those guys. Fuck! Okay. Get out of here! Fucker. Don't need no cars falling on me.
Restrict my guitar with your intestines!
Ow. The fucker hit me. And why can't I move?
How do you like
That was weird.
spotlight,
Slag? I don't know. Well, this guy is supposed to represent, like, the heavy metal and shit. Yet... I don't know. He's supposed to represent heavy metal, yet all he knows how to do is scream. Yeah, I know metal. Not everybody just screams. Just a news flash for you guys.
Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
Fuck.
He made a stage from all the cars in San Romero.
Ow, ow. I don't even know cars. What the fuck? Get away from me. Continue this.
Welcome to the big show!
Well, it's the big show. I doubt anybody gets that reference. Jesus! How many times do I have to dodge? Over this shit.
What a douchebag. Quit destroying shit for no reason.
What did I say? Oh, B. Out of my way, motherfucker.
Time to get hardcore! You zombie hunting slut!
Eat chainsaw. Chainsaw! Saw the answer to everything! Which is why I love them so. Alright, motherfucker! Time for a boss fight! Wait, where the fuck did he go? Oh, he's up there.
I'm gonna crush your brain! I'm loving this shit!
Okay. The Misfits, Black Flag, and Torturing Small...
animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skylander here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Okay.
Welcome to the mosh pit, slag!
He really likes that word, doesn't he?
Shit!
Dodge, bitch.
Giant letters.
Ow. Fuck! I can't move where I want to.
What dude pierces his belly button? Seriously.
That is actually a good question. Vanilla slut! Coming from the anime world, that's not exactly possible. Oh god damn it, Devin, why did you show me those doujin? Ouch. Doujin sheesh. Mash! That worked. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bitch. Oh wait, what?
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little.
Oh god. This motherfucker makes metal look bad! I don't like this guy. He makes metal look so bad.
Punks are dead, dude. Get real.
No one can destroy when he's on.
Holy shit! Your face is my heart. I think you beat your face.
Shut up.
I'm gonna fuck it.
Just shut up.
Your face.
Fuck that shit up.
Ouch.
Can't wait to see
Is there something else I need to do? No.
your face.
Ouch.
Speakers.
All about DIY. Homicide. Eat my mohawk.
Ouch. What the fuck?
Bring it on.
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Get the fuck back. See what I was doing.
Join me on stage for a death jam.
You motherfucker.
Vanilla slut.
Ah, shit. Dude, that insult doesn't work. Oh my god. That doesn't fucking work. Cerise Flame, if you're watching this, please explain to everybody why that doesn't work. And if you're not, and if you don't, well, damn it. Unless 1,000 people ask for it, I'm not going to explain it. Because I don't want to explain it, because I don't really want to acknowledge, even though technically I already did, that I know what that means. And know why that doesn't work. God damn it. I can't believe I'm getting my ass kicked by the first boss. I really am off in this game.
Fucking giant letter bullshit.
Mash! Yes! Fuck your shit. You make metal look bad, douchebag. Dare you. Now here's something I don't understand. It didn't work the first time you split him in half. Why does it work this time?
Oh, I'm not done screaming yet. Oh, it really fucking hurts, man. Oh!
Jeez, so emo.
What the fuck? Whatever! That means something.
Juliet,
I forget what it means.
you did it.
Hey, he's fucking alive. Oh, god damn it.
You managed
Never mind.
to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was
Okay.
only the weakest of the dark purveyors,
Okay.
but the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead.
Wonderful.
The school
Aye.
is probably filled with zombies.
High School of the Dead, motherfucker! Just kidding.
Sensei!
Oh, come on. Why does the badass Japanese guy have to leave?
I have this for you, Juliet.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Juliet. You
Oh,
were always
that's-
my favorite people.
That's nice.
Sensei!
Aw. God damn it. Why does the badass Japanese guy have to die? The fuck is this? I don't remember this. I don't remember this happening. That thumbs up is a reference to something. If only I knew what it was. Oh, now that from this level onward. Now I remember. Now you can do the charge. I remember now.
Okay.
Yay.
Loving it.
Completely awesome.
Okay. Next level is the stadium. Let's go ahead and change the outfit for the next one. What other anime one shall I do? You know what? When I finish Gurren Lagann, which I'm currently watching again, I'm going to do Kuro Nizamu wa Desuka. So, why not? Why not?
Okay then.
Why the fuck not? Okay, in the next part, we go to a stadium. Wonderful.